everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage activation error after update iOS 17 in iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi to get at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on. After that, go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 seconds you have turned it off. And after that, check where problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll it down and click on journal, and from here click on date and time and make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn on, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time. After that, go back and scroll it down and click on VPN add device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do it, disconnect, and after that go back and scroll it down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check where problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here scroll it down and search for this iMessage. Click on this, and from here what you need to do it, turn off this toggle, and after that go back and open again setting, and from here scroll it down and click on journal, scroll down and click on shutdown, and from here slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have turned it on. And after that go back and open again setting, and from here scroll down and search for this iMessage. Click on this. What you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If it is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.